mienu di na chi no di mfimfini e na moto di nanim nti opeso kanya asasam kyerɛw he only wanted power na me se wo ye Ghanaian youth na wenhunu nyansa nsuanyansa free dia NDC for yi mu a wo wobekɔ so ye Gyimifuɔ saa because nipa na owopa oni power say ono oba obe make sure say what is wrong they will do it right now.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice right on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Mienu di na chi no di mfimfini e na moto di nanim nti opeso kanya asasam kyerɛw he only wanted power na me se wo ye Ghanaian youth na wenhunu nyansa nsuanyansa free dia NDC for yi mu a wo wobekɔ so ye Gyimifuɔ saa because nipa na owopa oni power say ono oba obe make sure say what is wrong they will do it right now the person gets power and what is wrong now no cano it is even worse and that person is defending it and you want to blame it on another person muina no muni trasidi sebi we are in Ghana hanum say yo Sam George told us say data prices no ne boy den na ye oslo usu na AS adwumadi no now you come in as a minister of communications now instead of you to come and do good you are doing bad and we are complaining now we have some NDC and kwasiafo to say we call government by no man if you were doing worse we voted for you to come and do the right thing we didn't vote for you to come and do the wrong thing. Ya to abasa ne be ya Ghana be ko nanim ya nto abasa enko nachi modern troning da Ghana for join na boso but you can't do anything and then one show senior gay for abedru oman Ghana ni sebio omo kire Ghana for senior oni oba ne bada enye bone oni bema ne bema da enye bone all because Mahama and sign a bill no wonim akosia one thing Ghanaians should know and I'm saying it here. Wọ́n say Mahama be catch yẹn say obi anche ne ba wo fie say onkoye homosexual right say okay ye ka say Mahama pass bill no catch obi a say mon kire mo mma no saa ne ma no wo fie no mo sua wo fie a they will never do it meboa because woni mo say oni gay fo ne nam na edru ba bi no na gay fo no ba be kire Ghana fo enti wo a wo be ye weak a wo ma wo mba no ensua saa ne ma ne hu say eye wrong no wo ba no be fall a victim or no de emfa ne ho at least obetumi ma ne ba Sharaf Mahama sika no wo de afa boxer say bi obeje $50 billion diaba no age no akọ obetumi ama ne ba ne say sika no de taxpayers money. Eja ne ba kito oba ikwa friend se Farida obetumi ma Farida sika Farida onye ni ti wo salon no na wo Miss Ross se ukoye oti wo salon Farida ye be ni ti wo fie na ma no ye de salon ni be fie
kwacha me ko salon minis kamya kasa na ye ni ti o
yo e be acho Farida de salon fo ni na be fie o ai no ma be siesie no hwan na ye ni bibia ma no wo hia ni ba wo ko salon na wakwa koye oti Mahama de ne ma no mo yo muti wo fie ni ya baba hihye ne sane because home service ni ye tua ne ka boom ni ya de amani pa konoko ba wo citizen no wo bre ukoye oti a ukobodwa biase na wakwa ko ho oti na uko se be Farida be hu ne tim kekekora just ya de home service ba ne fie ya de salon hair dryer ne de akaka ho ba ne fie ni abeya ma no and you want to sit down and tell me say nkokon ketenkete 24-hour economy na ye promise mu na ye nya ma mo no se be ya de 3 trillion akofat sanitary pad e dia ba betototo de achicha mankola ni nti waya ade ye mbonsem ma no mo ye mowa this same pad here say be 3 trillion fa ye o de je Ghana ni ba ku bia pad ba ku bia 25 Ghana cedis sa pad yo o to ne 10 cedis e wo krom retail price e 10 cedis nti imagine say wo to sa pad we in a wholesale price sa sika na aka ni na hwan na age o ma sesa sika ni de gombotom e na wo you to ko na wo bre and you want to defend this government yeah it is high time I want I was here the MPP, ni NDC won, ni edi omototo ho as a citizen. Which of these people comes no boas citizens, no? Which of these people comes and then does social interventions for these citizens? Why not bo see hospitals? Why not bo or ya kwine? Why not ba or ya roads or sanso see hospitals or see school adan at all of this no so really na citizens no so sanya home faswo. Mamenka se minche Ghana for. Ya papa Rollins bet na so ton eye factory se wo man Ghana mu nyina ewie di ni nyina kofo ba ye e no de sebi o woni mu se me wo ho no mo sebi ma o mu wo man Ghana mu no wo mu kwa wo so wo mu timi wu Miss Ross first na yen ko hospital kwa wu ne ye wo fie emba no ye nya nkofo mo nje o ma wo kofo ba ye no se da bi I will not sit down because of ohienti na me hwere abatan a wo mo kwa wo so because oba wo fie so ntimi ko hospital ko tia hospital ka or the free maternal care by this man thought of it says me the free maternal care and here for number no woman no do so akwani benyi e de no beye want to me go school because obetua school fees on school na work want to me go tua worker na school fees no betimi atua no the free compulsory basic school by was say me the free compulsory basic school ba enkula ni because school aduane keke kura mbedi kura no parents de kwa fie kwa won didi na school no betimi akwakọ didi ana no the free feeding by wutumi ko school free wunya aduane didi free na wetumi tunya ade aka ho owie no se wanyina achi no wobesa yare na wo ba be yare be yede na ba time de wako hospital just on so because 2 million ye kwakọ charge wi wobetina fie akoto para na wano no wawu enti no beje national health insurance card na fa ko 2 million na tua 10 cedis na ye honhonto papa yes ani me we nyina de gu akwan eno sisi bi se bio mo so mo ye adwuma ehye mo meje maslock loans na mo fa nko ye adwuma na mo fa nhye mo adwuma mu aba amefo na mo tumi ahwe mo mba papa free ho no mo free ye NDC fo beje baton me pa cho me bisa Ghana fo me bisa NDC fo e de na NDC fo be ye to asa adwuma die we ya se bi akofo e de gugu na akwan mu de mai omo de confirm ne bai confirm no so ye hu ne ntakra be wia Ghana fo sika e be bu ye kon mu sisi yen e ma ye pam mo sai didum so e da yase e ma ye ndwuma gugu ye mu wie ya akofo ado aba whoever why na dwene ho da say akofo ado free education na obeye ye no obesan so ye STEM school bi kwan aka ho nobody thought of it ye nyina ni nim se bi o enka akofo ya se dwuma die we no akofo ado ba ye no or say be sekufo ba betua sa nema we so ye we nyina gu hodia then I am going to do free education say na ebe ya wo ba na woni bi hiafo ma no wako JSS wi a wo ba betena fie because he realized say ye ko JSS free we wie no enkofo pii na gu fie why ohiasem minko school kola bibre 2000 to 2008 ye wo intellectuals and komunya secondary school ko ya I tell you nka bibre na lawyers bibre na doctors nkanye se nkanye nya se bi nkofo mu ni ka bibre na ye intellectuals but because of sika o mu ni nti menti bi anto aso ko secondary school kofu akofo ado ebe to aso the free secondary school by e o wi and also the STEM school beka ho science technology engineering and mathematics. Miss Roxanne, did you ever thought say akofo ado be yes adwumade we?
No.
Did you ever thought akofo do be TVET say free education pay no promise yen and we all know say free education dey secondary school ya koyi bia na chese yakoni free na enu ano no afei dey papa yi ba ya o say me the science technology engineering and mathematics abeka ho because enkola ni tumi ye eniema bi a odwen ho obi mo ye free dialysis furnace machine ebi mo ye machine e de to aba ebi mo ye aeroplanes ebi mo ye akade bi mo ye cars bi mo ye de keka ho but those times no na eni baby ebe ko school akonya sanim de no akofo do thought of it ma menya na nkola ni ntimi nya nim de ni bi free school mu no mu ntimi nya niema hwe laboratories a wosi ye yentumi nya science na yentumi obehwa na se yetumi ye ndro hwe ndro asese ye yetumi ye ndro o man Ghana mu akofo do be ye ma ye ndro wo Ghana mu sanitary pad akofo do we be sanitary pad e obotia no factory ni si ho Ghana force there be akofo do ye wicked president
Mako krasa ni flip akra abuchi
one constituency bia no yema one ambulance one constituency bia no yema road equipment obetumi dia yesiesie se bia kwan na asai wo yema ntemu obi abedi me ho adanse wo Ghana ha se yema ntemu ne yempotamu kwan na asai no ha adwene yie pa yie ena akufo ado adwene ho no de sebe drip machines aba na ye saa ye di saa kwan ni nyina musi akufo do ye wicked president akufo do wie wenjani nyina wo ho no mo akufo ado asanso so atoa so na ado dan akufo ado asa atoa so asan say me di 2 years AC 111 hospitals ebinsi wo Ghana da sekwabrane di 2 years na UGMC ni mpo no sebi atamils ebe saase Mahama 4 years hospital ba akopeu wentumi mpokra nsie nwie it took Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo to complete it and start with the